Keeping baby bottles and nipples clean is essential to prevent any harmful bacteria or germs from affecting your baby's health. Luckily, there are best way to wash baby bottles and nipples. Hot water not only helps remove tough milk stains, but also melts away any grease or fat that may be left after feeding. To sanitize baby bottles and nipples, bring a pot of water to a boil. Once it is boiling, carefully place the clean bottles and nipples in the water for about 5 minutes. Afterward, remove them and let them air dry completely. This method kills any remaining germs or bacteria. Vinegar helps to break down milk residue and remove stubborn stains from baby bottles and nipples. First, take a bowl and add some vinegar to it. Next, pour hot water into the bowl. Then, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda in it. You can notice bubbles forming as everything dissolves. After this, dip the baby bottles, nipples, and other parts into the solution. Leave them for 1 hour, covering the bowl with a plate to keep the solution in place. After 1 hour, remove all the bottle parts from the solution. Pour out the solution from the bowl and discard it. Now, add clean water to the bowl and a drop of dish soap. Wash all the bottle parts with this soapy water to ensure any remaining residue is removed. Finally, rinse all the parts thoroughly with clean water. Your baby's bottles and nipples are now be clean and free of germs. A baby bottle sterilizer and dryer cleans, sanitizes, and dries bottles using steam, ensuring they are safe and ready for use. The Groensey baby bottle sterilizer and dryer keeps bottles clean and free of germs. Simply place the bottles inside, and it will sterilize them with steam. After sterilizing, it dries the bottles to keep them ready for use. The baby bottle cleaner brush is designed to clean bottles, nipples, and other feeding accessories. The OXO Tot bottle brush with nipple cleaner has a comfortable, non-slip handle for a secure grip while cleaning. The brush easily removes milk residue and stains from all areas. It helps clean the inside of bottles and nipples thoroughly. So, by applying these effective methods and products, you can wash baby bottles and nipples.